How to make room change plan. There are several screens in ElektraWeb we can use for room change. The first is the Room Change Plans screen under the Front Desk menu and Operation Solutions segment. We can search for the reservation for which we want to make room change based on guest name or room number. When we select the desired reservation, finish date or reservation checkout date will be automatically displayed in this field. Planned date is based on the program date and can be changed by using the calendar search button. Then, you should write down the new room number where the change will be made. By clicking on the magnifying glass, you may select from the available rooms list. This list will be filtered according to reservation date range. By double-click, we may select the desired room and assign this new number. We may also select a reason for change, but this is not the mandatory field. However, if we wish to see the room change reasons reported by the program, then it should be definitely selected. In order to use these fields, first we have to make necessary definitions in the program. On the Setup menu and Basic Definitions, there is the Room Change Reasons Definitions field under Reservation and Price Details segment. Here, we may define potential or most often room change reasons in our property. With the plus button, new row will be opened and we should write down the main reason and sub-reason. For example, main reason can be location and ground floor sub-reason. If we suppose that the guests prefer room on the floor, this can be one of the reasons for them to request the room change. All of these reasons we wrote here will be displayed in the list form. Short note about this room change should be entered in the free text format. The new room plan we created will be displayed under New tab. When the planned change is made, we may click on the Execute Room Change button in the related record or select the desired room row and press the button with the same name under the Action menu. If the plan will be cancelled, then we use the Cancel button. Executed and cancelled plans will be listed under the related tabs, while under All tab we may see the overview of all plans made. All the room changes made are listed in the Room Change list. This is only the view screen, and from here we cannot make any changes or actions. These records are listed as all, in-house room change, and those room changes made while reservation was in the reservation state. In these lists, we may see the guest name, first and last room number, name of user who made the change, the first room type and state, the last room type, state of the reservation, etc. Another screen from where we can make the room change is the Reservation Card. From Action menu, select Add Room Change Plan. By following the same previously mentioned steps, we can create the desired plan. Second alternative from the Reservation Card is to use Room field. By clicking on the magnifying glass, we may select the desired room from the available rooms list. Third way how we can make room change is to use specific action buttons in the in-house list. For example, from in-house list, we may select the desired room record and click on Room Change. Available room screen will be opened, and as usual, from here we can filter all the room types, check their status, and select the desired one. If the change was made solely for the room number, but not to the room type, then there will be no changes in the color in the related list. However, if the room type was changed, then room type column in the list will turn green. From the reservation list, you may also assign the room number as well as change the room number and type. From the room calendar or block screen, every movement you make with the related reservation box will be registered under the room change plan. For example, if we have one reservation in the reservation status and we move this reservation to another room row, this will be displayed in the room change list as well.